Introduction. Today, we're going to explore how robots are becoming an essential part of our daily lives. From household chores to advanced technology, let's dive into the world of robotics and see how they're making our lives easier and more efficient. Section 1: Household Robots. In recent years, household robots have become increasingly popular. From robotic vacuum cleaners like the Roomba to smart home assistants like Amazon's Alexa, these devices are making our lives more convenient. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular house. Section 2: Robotics in Healthcare. Robots are also making a significant impact in the healthcare industry. From surgical robots that assist doctors in performing complex procedures to exoskeletons that help people with mobility issues, the advancements in robotics are revolutionizing the way we APPR. Section 3: Robotics in the Workplace. The workplace is another area where robots are becoming increasingly common. From automated assembly lines in factories to AI-powered customer service chatbots, robots are changing the way we work and increasing efficiency across various industries. Conclusion. In conclusion, robots are undoubtedly changing our daily lives in numerous ways. From making our homes more efficient to revolutionizing healthcare and the workplace. Thanks for watching.